Hey guys, what is up? I have three black and white legendary treasure packs right here that I'm gonna open because I like this set. Pretty nice. I'm gonna try to get all of them for this set. Try to complete it. Well, let's get started here. These aren't the first ones that I have open for this set, but okay, let's get started. Hopefully, we get something good. And I believe these are from 2013. Let's see. Yeah, they say them on the card anyways. Anyhow. Alright, let's get started. Ooh. Ooh. Superior. That's nice. A hollow. And it's a rare too. If I had sleeves, I'd put it in the sleeves. Wow, that's nice. For the first pack. Ooh, another rare. There might be, I think there's two rares in these packs, but Ninetales. That is nice. Ooh, look at that. I already have this card. Mew EX. Because they got the extra 25 on top of the, oh, wow. Look at this pack. Look at that. Servine. I think I've already got that. I'm not sure, though. Ooh. Spiritomb. I do not have that one. And Bianca. Very nice. Alright. If I had some sleeves right now, I could put these cards in some sleeves. But I take pretty good care of my cards, so I ain't got to worry about that right now. If anybody else likes if anybody else likes this set too, let me know. I enjoy this set. I have some Ancient Origins too, but I'd rather open this set up, get this out of the way, and try to buy all I can in the store because these are starting to get harder to find since there's 2 years. They're 2 years old now. But let's get started. See, that one hurts like butter. Okay. What do we got here? Ooh, look at that. Ooh, I see a freaking hollow rare or something in the bag. Ooh, look at that. Something. Got me excited now. Snivy. I think that's how you pronounce it. Ooh, reverse hollow. And it's a rare too. That's nice. Oh shit. Holy hell, man. Oh, hell yeah. That is awesome. Can I get a like for this one, guys? Wasn't expecting that at all. No scratches. Very nice. Oh, wow. These packs are just freaking amazing. Look at that. Look at all these rares I'm getting. Wow. Alicia. Ooh. Very nice. Pack 3, sorry about that, guys. Gotta get some more sleeves. Oh, man. Everything just wants to keep falling and falling. Alright. Alright. You guys like this new, these new things they put these in? Well, they're new to me from like a few months ago because I wasn't used to these at all. Okay. Time for last pack, number 3. Give me some good luck, guys. The last 2 packs were amazing. Very nice. Alright. I don't do the thing with you guys where you shuffle on, where you get certain cards in certain positions. I don't do that. Ooh. T-Pig. Ooh, yeah. Landorus. Oh, look at that, guys. It's freaking rare. Holographic. Very nice card. Very nice card. Ooh, another rare. These are very nice. Oh, wow. A Eevee. Oh, look at that, guys. It's got hearts on them and they light up. Nah, that's freaking awesome. And then it's a really nice card though. Oh wow, look at that. You gotta love these freaking full cards that are holographics. And a Stunfisk. Wow. Very nice. Well, let's see how we did here. Let's get all. Let's get the holographics out. Let's get the holos. Let's get the rares. The reverse holos. Kind of cute. Forget what I got, but we'll. Hold on a minute, guys. Kind of didn't have them when I was doing this. Trying to do these with care. Oh wow! I love these. I love this pack, man. These are really nice. Get you your adrenaline up, but I don't know if these are just too common. I'm not really sure. Because they give you quite a bit of rares and stuff, and ultra rare, man. That ultra rare guy is very nice. All right, I got them all. Here they are, guys. I'm trying to do this slowly if I don't scratch them up. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you guys enjoy this. If you really did, I will make more videos, and I will make some more with a lot more packs in a video. But if you guys enjoy this, please like and subscribe, and I will make more to come. Thanks for watching.
Gotta catch 'em all.